Hello, beautiful people. I would like to show you this 2016 Freightliner cabin chassis with 185,000 miles. And this truck has no check engine light, no oil leaks, no problems. It's ready to work. And it is a clean title. Sorry about the sun over there. And it had an 18-foot box on it, reefer box that was removed. The suspension is a spring suspension. This is not air suspension, it's spring suspension. And it's a 26,000 GVW, so it's a non-CDL truck. Anybody can drive this truck. And that's the DEF system, so it's legal in California. It's ready to work. It has 2 fuel tanks, 50-gallon each. And you got 185,000 miles, and it's a Cummins engine, 6.7, and Allison transmission. The transmission is not PTO capable, so if you want to use this to make a tow truck or anything that involves hydraulic, you probably will need to take it to somebody who's going to open the transmission and put the gears in there for your PTO. So this is not PTO capable, but if you want to put a flatbed on it, you can do that. If you are trying to make a tow truck or a dump truck, you're going to have to do the work on the transmission. Okay, so it does not have any oil leaks, as you can see right here. I'm going to show you. All right, no oil leaks and no check engine light. It's ready to work, like I said. All right, I'm going to show you here underneath. Okay, now this is a clean title, no accidents, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna start the truck for you, but first I'll show you the interior. It's a clean interior. It is manual control for the windows, but it is automatic controls for the mirrors. And as you can see, it's clean inside. And I'm gonna give you measurements on the cab to axle and the wheelbase as well, so that if you're trying to make a flatbed or a tow truck or a dump truck, you know what the measurements are and how far you need to move the axle. Again, 185,000 miles right here. And I'm gonna start the truck for you so I can show you the engine. Starts right away. And no check engine light. All the lights are gonna go away, as you can see right here. The AC works and is cold right here. And alright, here it is. There you have it. It has recap tires here in the back. The front tires, this one is okay. And this one I would replace it. This one is not. It's pretty flat on the other side. DEF system is working. And no rust, as you can see. Very clean. It's a California truck. And there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. I am in Palmdale, California. And if you make it all the way to me, I would really appreciate it. I know you're probably coming from LA or somewhere far, an hour, 2 hours away. But it's gonna be worth it. There's no surprises. And everything is just as I showed you. I give you warranty for a month on engine and transmission. And what did I want to say? I do the registration for you, so I'll give you plates with tags. And here I am. I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.